Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living here on YouTube. And on my channel, I am a homeschool mom to 3, almost 4 kiddos. So I share my homeschool journey with them, the resources we're using, also share cleaning motivation, home decor, and a mom life to encourage you on your journey as well. And so homeschool mom to 3, almost 4. So in today's video, I'm going to be organizing our change table, sorting through the baby clothes that need to be organized onto the change table. So this is like a nest with me video. Needs to get done. I am 35 weeks pregnant today when I am filming this. So things need to get done. And yeah, so maybe you're not pregnant, but you can get motivation to go through your kids' old clothes or go through their closets and declutter their stuff, organize the stuff that they don't need, even do your own closet. Hope this video is motivating and I can get some things done, and so can you. So I'm going to show you the clothes that I've already gone through. These are the ones that are like 0 to 3 months, 3 to 6 months. And then I need to take some things off of the change table from my daughter, put them into her room now, and find a spot for her pull-ups and all of that. So I'll show you and we will get started. Okay, so here are the clothes that are 0 to 3 months and 3 to 6 months that I need to go through and need to declutter my daughter's pajamas and her diapers. I do not have organization for the diapers yet, but I'm going to pick something up from Walmart. And then I'm going to put her pajamas into her closet. Need to go through the baby wipes, and they might be able to stay there, but I just want to reorganize this space better with all of the baby essentials. This is how we have done it from baby number 1, and stored all of their clothes and diapers and stuff. And yeah, then I need to pick up some newborn diapers and some size 1 and stock them on here as well. But I'm going to also just give this a deep clean, vacuum, and wipe it as well. Alrighty. Now I'm just switching over the laundry, getting the new baby items and the blankets and such into the dryer to get all of that done so I can put it away. And then I have one more task, and then I'm going to share with you our bedside nursery in our bedroom. So I'm just organizing our receiving blankets into this organizer that I finally got put up on the wall. This was a few days later from the original organizing and such, and I'm just putting the receiving blankets up there. They were on the change table being stored for a while, but now they have a new spot. And then, as you can see, I also set up some decor over the change table, which I really love how it turned out. I made the little elephant sign when my oldest was a baby, so it's really fun to bring it back. And then we just have a Bible verse over there as well. And then these other things are 2 light boxes, so we can put those on during the night when we are changing baby, and we don't have to put the big lights on from the bathroom. And it says, "Hello there, baby, climb every mountain." So in our bedside nursery, we have a mountain theme. I don't know if you noticed that, some mountains on some of the blankets that were going into the dryer and getting washed. But you will see the nursery really soon. So here is the nursery, our crib, and this is just in our small little bedroom off to the side. And do not worry, these pillows and blankets and stuffed animals will be removed when baby arrives, because we want to have him be safe. I will put them off to the side or on our bed, but this is the nursery. I really love how it turned out. I got a few pieces here and there, made the Faith Can Move mountain sign, and picked up some of these pieces from Amazon so that they can be reused in our homeschool. The mountain and the trees and the rainbow, those can be replayed with and be keepsakes after the baby's here. I didn't want to pick up just decor pieces that I just have to give away at the end. So I'm excited that those pieces can be played with later and used again. So the mountains, the trees, the little fox, and then my son made the little animals at the top here, the owl and the fox, a bit ago, and I just used them. I asked him if I could use them in the nursery. So that is everything that I'm sharing with you today. I hope this video was motivating for you to get something done and tackled around your home. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. I'd love to have you join us here on the journey, and stay tuned for more videos and a baby announcement coming soon. Bye for now.